Yo, what's up everybody, welcome back to another video on the Loiter channel. Today I actually pulled up to my cousin's workshop. I'm actually in the ghetto. For those the viewers that's from PE, you guys know Sherdon. Yeah, this is basically where I spent my entire childhood. This is where I grew up until the point where I hit high school, and I wasn't as much as I used to be here. But yeah, this is still home to me. Hopefully the ghetto gives us some content today. That is one of the reasons why we pulled up here today. But basically today's video, I'm sure some of you guys have cars, some of you guys have the sagging headliner hanging, and you know, all that tenting vibes. Like you can just pull up at wherever first beacon, you know, and then because you have this whole tent hanging, your one-man tent, you can just set up campfire and then camp out for the night. But today's video will be a budget way on solving that. Yeah, basically a budget way on solving your headliner issue, sagging headliner issue. So basically I bought material, I think about 2 or 3 meters material, which cost me about 80 bucks, 80 rand. And I also bought a tin of 1 liter glue, which cost me 60 rand. Whereas you go to a upholster and they charging you like 800, 900, 1000 rand, whatever the amount is. But I am doing it for below, like very budget price. Yeah. So I'll show you guys what the material look like. I'll show you the glue I got and the process of us fitting it. I hope you guys like the video. Stay tuned, stay to the end and to see the end result. Yeah, we're doing that car's headliner today, the EK. So without further ado, let's get to it. I'll show you. This is the material that I actually bought to put on the headliner. This will, hopefully it gives the junky look that I want. This is the glue that I bought. This is the one you can throw into the gun, linked up to the compressor, and then just spray it onto the headliner, spray it onto the material. If you do not have a gun or a compressor, you can also buy the same glue, but the one that you use with a brush, a paint brush. So you'll just paint it on the headliner or on the material. And yeah, this is also some leftover material I have at home, so I'll see if I don't want to use that. Yeah, so this is the headliner I'll be putting in today on some pillars and on the headliner. But as you can see, there's absolutely nothing wrong with my headliner. It's not sagging, it's just dirty perhaps, but because I'm Sherdon and I like fiddling with things that are not broke, today we'll be doing this and trying giving the car a more junky feel to it. Yeah, hope that makes sense. Without further ado, I'm gonna get to loosening everything, taking everything off, and then yeah, I'll show you guys what happens. Okay, so I already pulled the mirror off, the rear view mirror. Next thing I'll be taking off would definitely be this over here. At the moment I'm alone, so I'll just loosen everything. So I'm loosening these. I already got this off. I have to loosen that there, this, and then basically these, all the handles. I need to get the center light out and all these pillars on the side. So this one, basically everything. So I'll get to it and then I'll show you guys when the headline is out. And then he removed all the pillars, basically all the pillars are laying. And he just caught on shit, so now I have to fix his mess. And Uncle Zino, Uncle Bully, my richest cousin. Uncle Bully, yeah. Bully just messing up my clips. Check what he did. He broke that one in half, and then he broke that one in half as well.
So yep. I'm breaking it in half now.
He's breaking it in more pieces.
I'm breaking it in half.
He's breaking it all.
Because this guy is broke, boy.
Thanks for breaking everything.
Don't worry. We'll go to the scrapyard and steal this shit.
Close enough.
Cut side pliers, man.
Pull it. Wow. Yeah. So there we have it. Ooh, and it just falls out. Wow, this roof looks nice. This car hasn't been rolled before. Alrighty then, so there goes the headliner. Whoa, 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 whoa. Stop. Oh, never mind. Just break my alarm system. Yeah, so there we have it. Headliners out. Finally.
Time to take it. Taking it into the lab right now. So I got the boys, well, my cousins, Sherdon over here. His workshop we're working at today. And my man Uncle Zino.
I don't smoke cigarettes anymore. Fucking healthy.
Don't do Molly no more.
Don't do drugs, kids.
So as you can see, there was actually nothing wrong with the headliner. There was no tints, sagging, none of that. We just wanted to change the look. And then, damn, some cardboard here. Well, this is gonna be an easy job. Easy.
Easy. Says the man who's gonna do nothing 2 days later.
So if you guys want any mechanical work done, any suspension, you know, wiring, whatever, this is the man to hit up.
Diagnostic.
Yeah,
anything.
diagnostics, anything you guys need, GTA. You can pull up, yeah, he's actually ex-maritime worker, Mercedes-Benz technician. And look at this boy. Qualified, allesdoener, qualified everything. You see exactly what Zino is doing now? This is how you do not take your headliner off. But, ish. Let him be. Let him have some fun with it. Oh, shh. Lekker Zino, man. Lekker Zino. Smart. Stills my car, but Lego also owns a Honda, a Manta actually, just to put it out there. Like father, like son. Hey. So we thought the camera was recording while we were putting it on. We're too distracted by
I'm gonna
actually.
take it off and then I'll put it back again. Is that fine with you guys?
So this is stuck on now. All we have to do is just get the leftovers cut off now, and never mind that mug shot. And then just cutting these extras off and sticking it on the other side. We're flipping it around now, and then so we flip the headliner around. We just put some of the glue on the edges right around, basically just to tuck it, and then have a neat finish. And then we'll just let it sit for a bit, and then we'll stick it and cut the extras off, and it should be good to go. So I decided I'm going to do one of the pillars as well. So we're just putting some glue on now.
Not we, fucking I.
Well, me and Zino. So
buddy.
Zino is busy sticking the material onto the last pillar now, and then my cousin just pulled out some old things, some old cars we've been building. This is my brother's car when it was static at the time. This is now you can see how long this book has been coming on. This is a speed and sound book. And we got the Rocco in here. Static as you guys know what comes after that. Dankie Zino vir jou samewerking.
Thanks for nothing.
Thanks for nothing.
Alrighty then, so we finished up with the headliner. As you can see, we got the lights cut out, everything else cut out, like all the necessary holes. I also did the two front pillars. As you can see, this is, I'm not even sure which side that is, but that's done. For the next step, we will be fitting a new steering wheel also on the Honda, which I
picked up at the scrapyard for basically next to nothing. Let me just show you guys what that looks like. Yeah, this is the steering wheel we're about to fit. So let's get straight to it, man. Straight to it. So something sad just happened. I wanted to fit this Honda Jazz steering wheel in my car, but we have issues trying to get this thing off the scrapyard where I got it from. These guys were already attempting to get this steering wheel off, and they basically stripped this side and the other side's spline. So if you guys have any ways that you guys can think of getting it off, drop it down in the comment below. I would love to put the steering wheel on, but yeah, for now I'm just gonna get the pillars and everything else back in the car. So this is what it looks like without everything on. I just resprayed everything black as well, so I'm just gonna start assembling everything now. Okay, so the sun is already set. We finished around about now, so it's a bit too dark now. I don't have enough light to show you guys what it looks like, so I'd rather do it in the morning.
Whole day.
It's been a long ass day, so I'll show you guys what the end result looks like tomorrow. And I also popped my interior lights fuse, so I have to mend that as well. So I'll do everything in the morning and show you guys what it looks like. Peace out. Alrighty, so it's the following day. Finally got some sunlight to show you guys what it actually came out like. And I think it actually came out pretty cool. Came out better than expected. The only thing that's missing right now is probably just like a sunroof or something. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Oh. Came out way cooler than I thought. I actually finished doing the pillars, these two front pillars as well, and then the rest of everything I just made it black, as you can see. Alrighty, so that is what it came out like. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you guys have any video suggestions, you can just drop it down in the comments below. I just hope. The other thing that I really wanted was to put the steering wheel in the car, but we will attempt that once again. And the other thing I wanted to know from you guys, I have one of these seats here just to give it like a different feel. What do you guys think if I had to refurb this seat and then fit it in the Honda as a driver's seat, and then obviously just look for a second one as well for the passenger side? But I kind of feel like maybe I can refurb the seat.
The seat was actually proper before, until my friend's dog just hogged the whole shit and messed the entire seat up.
So what do you guys think? You think I should be fitting the seat in, or nah? Just drop it down in the comments below. But yeah, thanks for tuning in to another video on the Loiter channel. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, notification bell, so you guys will know whenever I posted a video. Yeah, from the Loiter fam, with the love.